Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a super valuable video that you don't want to miss. We're going to share with you the 15 secrets that rich people use to get everything they want in life. And let us tell you, these secrets can be applied to any goal you have, whether it's making more money, finding fame, finding love, or living a life of fulfillment by helping others. These secrets are the keys to success. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how to use them to achieve your own dreams. Now, we don't really like calling them secrets because it implies that they're hidden or exclusive to the rich and successful. But the truth is, it's not the information itself that sets them apart. It's the way they use it. These secrets work together and build upon each other. That's why some people can achieve in just a few years what would take others a lifetime. So get ready, because we're about to share some incredibly valuable insights with you. Secret number 1. Rich and successful people constantly re-evaluate themselves. Most people evaluate their lives based on a simple scale of not good, meh, and okay-ish. But the rich and successful take a different approach. They break their lives down into 5 big pillars: intellect, money, relationships, health, and emotions. By evaluating themselves in each of these areas individually and as a whole, they gain a comprehensive understanding of their lives. This allows them to know exactly where to focus their efforts for improvement. For example, they assess their intellectual growth by reviewing the books they've read, the courses they've taken, and the new skills they've acquired. They evaluate their financial status by analyzing their income streams, investments, and financial goals. They assess their relationships by looking at the quality of their connections, the support network they have, and the impact they have on others. They evaluate their health by considering their physical fitness, nutrition, and overall well-being. Finally, they assess their emotional state by reflecting on their happiness, fulfillment, and inner peace. Secret number 2. They focus on one objective at a time. While multitasking used to be celebrated, successful individuals know that it's not the most effective way to achieve their goals. They choose one specific goal for each area of their life and put all their energy into it. For example, Jeff Bezos made it his life's purpose to make Amazon the biggest store in the world. Elon Musk also seems like a multitasker, but in reality, all his companies work towards the same goal of making human life sustainable long-term. By focusing on one goal at a time, successful people ensure high-quality outcomes. They understand that spreading themselves too thin can lead to mediocre results. Secret number 3. They play the long game. Unlike most people who want quick success without sacrifice, the rich and successful understand that long-term games require patience and dedication. They think in terms of decades, not just weeks. They know that every action they take today will have long-term effects. Whether it's investing in emerging technologies or making small daily improvements, they understand that success is a marathon, not a sprint. They have a long-term vision and are willing to put in the hard work and make sacrifices in the present for a better future. They are not deterred by short-term setbacks or instant gratification. Instead, they focus on building a solid foundation and staying committed to their goals over an extended period. This mindset allows them to accumulate wealth, build strong relationships, and achieve lasting success. Secret number 4. They use specialized and updated tools and information. While the average person spends their time consuming low-value content, successful individuals invest in high-quality tools and knowledge. They understand that quality comes at a price and are willing to invest in themselves to gain a competitive advantage. Just like a farmer who uses modern technology to optimize their crop yields, successful people leverage the latest tools and information to optimize their results. They stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and strategies in their respective fields. They read books, attend seminars, take courses, and seek out mentors to gain valuable insights and stay ahead of the curve. They understand that in a rapidly changing world, continuous learning and improvement are essential for success. Secret number 5. They set goals in a unique way that allows them to achieve them. Most people fail to achieve their goals because they lack an effective system for goal setting. Successful individuals, on the other hand, use a goal pyramid system. They break down their big goals into smaller supporting goals and create a clear roadmap to success. This system helps them stay motivated, overcome procrastination, and achieve their goals consistently. By breaking their goals down into manageable steps, they create a sense of progress and accomplishment. Each small goal achieved brings them closer to their ultimate objective. This approach also helps them stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed by the enormity of their goals. They use tools like goal tracking apps, visual reminders, and accountability systems to stay on track and measure their progress. Secret number 6. They surround themselves with friends who specialize in different fields but share a common purpose. Successful people understand the power of networking. They build relationships with other successful individuals who have similar goals. By surrounding themselves with smart and specialized friends, they create a competitive advantage. These friends provide support, advice, and opportunities for growth. They understand that the people we surround ourselves with have a significant impact on our mindset and success. By having friends who specialize in different fields, they can tap into their expertise, gain new perspectives, and collaborate on projects. They create a network of like-minded individuals who push each other to achieve greatness. Secret number 7. They never give up until they get what they want. The rich and successful understand that success takes time and persistence. They don't give up after a year or even 5 years of hard work. They keep pushing forward, learning from their failures, and improving with every attempt. They know that success is not about trying the same thing over and over again, but about learning and improving with each new attempt. They understand that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone on the path to success. They view setbacks as opportunities to learn, grow, and pivot their approach. They stay resilient and persistent, knowing that with each failure, they are one step closer to their ultimate success. They refuse to settle for mediocrity and keep pushing until they achieve their goals. Secret number 8. They invest first and spend the interest. This is a financial hack that has paid off big time for many successful individuals. Before they make a big purchase or indulge in a luxury item, they make sure to invest in something that will generate passive income to cover the expense. This way, they never find themselves in a financial hole. They understand that money is a tool to buy time and freedom, not just material possessions. They prioritize investing their money in income-generating assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. By generating passive income streams, they create a sustainable financial foundation that allows them to live a life of abundance without worrying about expenses. They understand the power of compound interest and leverage it to grow their wealth over time. Secret number 9. They negotiate absolutely everything. Successful individuals know the value of their money and time. They negotiate prices, deals, and contracts to maximize their returns. They understand that even small savings can add up to significant amounts over time. Negotiating is a skill that can save you money and give you an edge in the marketplace. They are confident in their worth and aren't afraid to ask for what they want. They do their research, gather information, and come prepared to negotiate. They understand that negotiation is a win-win game where both parties can benefit. By negotiating effectively, they can secure better deals, lower costs, and increase their overall value. Secret number 10. They invest a lot in their own growth. Successful people understand that their most valuable asset is their mind. They invest heavily in their own personal and professional development. They read books, attend seminars, take courses, and seek out mentors to gain valuable knowledge and insights. They know that investing in themselves is the key to unlocking their full potential. They understand that continuous learning and improvement are essential for success. They believe that the more they invest in themselves, the more they can bring to the table in every aspect of their lives. They prioritize personal growth and see it as a lifelong journey. Secret number 11. They develop good judgment over years of trial and error. Good judgment is essential for making successful decisions. Successful individuals hone their judgment through years of experience and learning from their mistakes. They understand that good decision-making is a skill that can be developed and improved over time. With better judgment, they make better choices that lead to long-term success. They reflect on their past experiences, analyze their past decisions, and learn from both their successes and failures. They understand that good judgment comes from a combination of knowledge, experience, and intuition. They constantly seek to improve their decision-making skills and are not afraid to take calculated risks when necessary. They know that with each decision they make, they are shaping their future and creating opportunities for success. Secret number 12. The rich and successful make time for thinking. They understand the power of focused thinking and strategic planning. While the average person often fills their free time with mindless activities, successful individuals use their downtime to think, reflect, and strategize. They know that their decisions have a significant impact on their lives, so they take the time to consider them carefully. They create space for deep thinking by disconnecting from distractions and creating a conducive environment. Whether it's taking a walk in nature, meditating, or having a designated thinking space, they prioritize mental clarity and reflection. They understand that their ability to think critically and strategically is what sets them apart and allows them to make informed decisions. Secret number 13. They look behind the scenes. Successful individuals have a deep understanding of how the world works. They study businesses, industries, and even themselves to uncover the underlying mechanisms that drive success. They break down complex systems and navigate them with ease. This understanding gives them a competitive advantage and allows them to make informed decisions. They are curious and constantly seek to expand their knowledge and understanding of the world. They ask probing questions, research extensively, and seek out diverse perspectives. They understand that knowledge is power and that by understanding the inner workings of various systems, they can identify opportunities and make better informed choices. Secret number 14. Every day they take action that brings them closer to their goals. Successful people understand that consistent action is the key to achieving their goals. They don't just rely on wishful thinking or hope for success to come their way. Instead, they take deliberate and purposeful action each day that aligns with their goals. They have a clear plan of action and prioritize tasks that contribute to their long-term objectives. They understand that progress is made one step at a time and that even small actions accumulate over time to create significant results. They don't wait for the perfect moment or for motivation to strike. They take action consistently, regardless of their circumstances. Secret number 15. They study other successful people and learn from them. Successful individuals look up to other successful individuals as sources of inspiration and knowledge. They study their strategies, habits, and mindset. They understand that if someone has achieved what they want, it's possible for them too. By learning from the best, they improve their own skills and increase their chances of success. They seek out mentors, read biographies, and attend conferences to gain insights and wisdom from those who have already achieved what they aspire to. They understand that success leaves clues and that by studying the paths of successful individuals, they can avoid common pitfalls and fast-track their own success. There you have it, the 15 secrets that rich people use to get everything they want in life. These secrets are powerful tools that, when applied consistently, can transform your life. So, which of these secrets do you think would have an immediate impact on your life? Let us know in the comments below. Don't settle for a life of mediocrity. Take control of your future and start crushing your goals. Subscribe to this channel and let us be your guide to success. We can't wait to see the incredible things you'll achieve. Thanks for watching, and remember, you have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of.